topic chosen by our group members is about dengue. So dengue is a mosquito-borne viral disease that has been rapidly spread around the WHO regions in the recent years. It also transmits Zika infection, chikungunya, and yellow fever. Dengue is widespread through tropics and is mainly influenced by temperature, rainfall, and urbanization. Dengue is also caused by a family of viruses called the Flaviviridae. In our assignment, our group has created a short role play about dengue. Hope you enjoy our informative video.
Oh my god, you know girl, I found this guy is very cute. Oh my god, what just happened? Oh my goodness, there's so many red dots on your face and your arms right now.
How many times was you calling this girl? Look at your room, you can't even keep your room clean. Isabel, why are you sneezing?
I don't know.
Get up, get up, get up, get up.
My head is so sore.
What is these red spots? Your neck, your arms. Oh me, there's so many of them. Your temperature is so high. Isabel, you know what? Let's go to the hospital. Come here. Okay, come here, come here.
Some of the principal symptoms of dengue include high fever, severe headaches, severe joint pain, and also a low white cell count. In other severe cases, there may be bleeding from nose or gums, and also drowsiness or irritability.
Hello, Mrs. Vincent. Out of the tests that we have gone through for your daughter, such as antibody testing, PCR testing, and even the blood test, it is confirmed that your daughter is currently diagnosed with dengue. So it is very, very important for us to stop her in the hospital for some days till she recovers. Hope you understand.
Hello, good afternoon, Ms. Y and Mr. Dance. There has been a dengue case that's been reported in our hospital yesterday, and the council has decided to urge you health officers to have an inspection in the respective neighborhood.
Okay, doctor, which area is that?
It's in Taman Taylors.
Okay, doctor.
These are the documents which can help you with the inspection.
Okay, doctor, we will get back to you as soon as possible.
Thank you so much. Before we leave, let's look about the epidemiology, transmission, and the pathogenesis of dengue.
Dengue is widespread throughout the tropics. Before 1970, only 9 countries had experienced severe dengue epidemics, but today the disease is endemic in more than 100 countries. A recent study in 2013 estimate indicates that 390 million dengue infections occur every year, of which 96 million manifest clinically. In Malaysia, dengue is predominantly an urban disease due to the abundance of the principal vector Aedes aegypti. The states of Selangor, Wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur, and Johor are the areas that have been largely affected by the disease and are reporting high number of cases. Factors like population growth in urban areas, the indiscriminate disposal of waste coupled with the lack of efficient solid waste management have all contributed to the marked increase in the occurrence of dengue.
Dengue epidemics in Malaysia have been observed to occur every 5 to 8 years. That is, in 1974, 1982, 1987, 1991, 1998, and have been increasing since 2001, with the highest number of dengue cases being reported in 2008, which totaled 49,335 cases. Subsequently, a decrease of dengue cases was observed in 2011 and 2012.
The Aedes aegypti mosquito is the primary vector of dengue. The virus is transmitted to humans through the bite of infected female mosquitoes. Thus, the female mosquitoes can infect multiple persons in order to complete a single blood meal. The mosquito becomes infected when it takes up the blood of a person infected with the virus. Once ingested by the mosquito, the dengue virus establishes a productive infection in the mosquito's midgut, wherefrom the virus disseminates and replicates in other tissues. New infections in humans can occur when saliva that contains virus is injected into a non-immune host during subsequent blood meals. Infected symptomatic or asymptomatic humans are the main carriers and multipliers of the virus, serving as a source of the virus for uninfected mosquitoes.
Dengue is caused by dengue virus, which is a mosquito-borne flavivirus. Dengue virus is a roughly spherical shaped virus with a size of 50 nanometer. The core of the virus is the nucleocapsid, a structure that is made of the viral genome along with C proteins. The nucleocapsid is surrounded by a membrane called the viral envelope, which is a lipid bilayer that is taken from the host. These proteins form a protective outer layer that controls the entry of the virus into human cells. Dengue virus causes a wide range of disease in humans, from a self-limiting dengue fever to a life-threatening syndrome called dengue hemorrhagic fever or dengue shock syndrome.
The dengue virus attaches to the surface of a host cell and enters the cell by a process called endocytosis. The virus fuses with the endosomal membrane and is then released into the cytoplasm. The viral RNA is translated into a single polypeptide that is cut into 10 proteins and the viral genome is replicated. In the cytoplasm, the nucleocapsid opens to uncoat the viral genome. This process releases the viral RNA into the cytoplasm. The viral RNA then hijacks the host cell's machinery to replicate itself. The newly synthesized viral RNA is enclosed in the C proteins, forming a nucleocapsid. The nucleocapsid enters the rough endoplasmic reticulum and is enveloped in the endoplasmic reticulum membrane and surrounded by the M and E proteins. The immature viruses then travel through the Golgi apparatus complex where the viruses mature and convert into their infectious form. The mature dengue virus are later released from the cell and they travel along the circulatory system to infect the other cells.
Hello, Miss Vincent. We are coming from the Kementerian Kesihatan Malaysia. We are here to inspect your house.
May I know why?
It's regarding your daughter's dengue case.
Okay,
Yeah.
please come in, please come in.
So, Mrs. Vincent, upon our observation, we found out your house is an ideal environment for the growth of Aedes mosquito.
Oh my.
Okay, your house is not clean, the rubbish is not thrown in the rubbish bin, and there's accumulations of water everywhere.
I'm so sorry, I did not know this. I've been away for some time. So, what can I do now to make it right?
You can make sure there is no accumulation of water in your housing area, and you can use insect repellent and also wear long sleeve shirts to cover your arm and legs.
Okay, alright, thank you.
Okay, Mrs. Vincent?